came home and there was pop tile up all over his floor. So he called me out last night, and of course I'm there for the place, Home Depot. Right now, getting all the mortar, mud, gonna do for this job here. So we got a thin set, and that's gonna go down first to lay the tile. And then we have the gray as close to the color we can get to match his original floor grout. Get you back. This went to Home Depot, went to the bank. This is gonna be a quick $550. I'm gonna knock this out, lay it down for him pretty, and I'll hit you guys back in a second. Peace. Today, if you notice, when the client came home, he had almost a speed bump when he walked into his home. If we look over here, we can see that it almost came up a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch here. See that? So what I'm gonna do now is pop all these out. We have a thin set mortar we're gonna utilize here. We just got it at Home Depot. We're gonna butter up the tile and we're gonna lay these babies back nice and pretty. Then we purchased a natural gray grout. We tried to mix a match to make the grout lines go back, and I'm gonna just do it the length so we have a uniform color.
Michael Monroe.
I use this just so we keep our area clean and fresh while we work. And I clean as we go, so when we're done, we don't have much to clean.
I've heard it all before, at least 1,000,000 times.
Michael!
I'm not one to forget. You know, I'm so sick of that same old love. I'm so sick of that same old love. I'm so sick of that same old love.
Michael!
I'm so sick of that same old love. Don't you try and change your mind,
Michael!
'cause I won't be changing too. You know.
I'm so sick of that. So sick of that love.
I'm so sick of that same old love.
I'm so sick of that. So sick of that love.
I'm so sick of that same old love.
I'm Michael, by the way.
For
And you
maybe
are?
a couple days, and the heat in here maybe swelled the floor. We don't know. But if you look at my dry lay, he's gonna be happy with that. That's gonna be perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and butter these tile up, put them back, and we're gonna come back in 72 hours and grout the floor pretty. So I'll get back to you guys. To the middle of the floor. The biggest problem, this is the highest point of the floor. Look at that. What caused it? We don't know. Luckily, we're go ahead and knock it down. I'm just gonna clean the area and lay them flat, but we don't know what caused it to buckle like that. We don't have any tremors that would cause that, and just in one area. We'll get back to you in a second.
Damn long. That damn long. That damn long. That damn long.
Dry laid the floor. We're gonna go ahead and start using the thin set and put everything back in order. I already spoke with the client, and he said, hey, looks good, all the lines are right. So now we're just gonna go ahead and make sure we lay everything back perfectly. We'll be back in 72 hours to grout it, okay?
Give me a little hope. Once more, give me a little hope. One small thing to cling to. Thing to cling to.
Pussy unconditional, loving at the till the hoe. Pussy unconditional, loving at the till the hoe. Pussy unconditional, loving at the till the hoe. Pussy unconditional, loving at the till the hoe.
wishy-washy kind of feelings, trying to play with my emotions. Wishy-washy kind of feelings, trying to play with my emotions. Yes or no, just gonna say it, cause inside I'm going crazy. Yes or no, just gonna say it, cause inside I'm going crazy. Wishy-washy kind of feelings, trying to play with my emotions. Wishy-washy kind of feelings, trying to play with my emotions. Yes or no, just gonna say it, cause inside I'm going crazy.
I had a woman down with me, but to me it seemed like she was down to get me. I had a woman down with me, but to me it seemed like she was down to get me. Now she's back with her mother. Now she's back with her mother. Now I'm feeling lonely. I love her.
He was going down, we figured, but this wasn't no ordinary nigga.
I had a woman down with me, but to me it seemed like she was down to get me. I had a woman down with me, but to me it seemed like she was down to get me.
He was going down, we figured, but this wasn't no ordinary nigga.
Fresh, $500, and he gave me a fresh $179 tip. But the best part is, he's got me 2 tickets to something like Glow. Remember Glow Wrestling? Well, this is WOW, which is Women of Wrestling, in LA, and it's going to be on the 18th of September. Oh my goodness, 18th, 19th. I mean, come on, what can you ask for? All right? So, no, you can't keep a good man down. Yesterday I had a breakdown, get triggered, but I'm so excited. This is what we're all about. Talent Crowd Experts LLC. We're changing lives and being recognized for it. So, hope all is well. Have a good day.